All right, we're back. What's for dinner?
Roasted duck.
We're roasting duck.
Yes.
Okay, so what preparations have been done so far?
So my husband cleaned the duck already.
Yes, I cleaned the duck.
We trimmed off the tips of the wings, the feet or legs ahead, excess fat. I boiled water and then I poured 2 cups of water, of boiling water onto it on both sides. And then now we are going to pierce the skin with a fork or whatever sharp thing you might have. I think this is to make it crispier.
The boiling water poured on it is meant to...
It's like to tighten the skin.
Okay.
I'll do this and we will try it a little bit.
So when cleaning the duck, I recommend putting your hand in the duck, and there's usually some innards that are still kind of, or remnants of it still behind, so like parts of the kidneys, some of the liver, and maybe lungs, maybe trachea or whatnot. So just reach your hand in there and clean it all out nice and clean, and then yeah, pour boiling water on it and then pierce the skin with a fork on both sides.
With some paper towels. So when I poured the boiling water on, it's still sitting in the tray underneath it. It's going to help it like not dry out when you're roasting. So just leave the water in there. Enough time. So we made this once before.
Oh, we also cut off the butt.
Well, whatever stuff is. So when I put it back down, it's probably going to get wet a little bit because of the water there. That's okay. And while I'm doing this, my oven is preheating.
What temperature?
425.
425.
So I mix salt, pepper, some wine, Chinese wine, cooking wine, and 5 spice powder.
Oh. Oven's done preheating.
So I didn't really measure this stuff, I just eyeballed it, so it depends on the size of your duck. Some recipes say just salt and pepper, some have a whole bunch of stuff, so it's really up to you. But you want to do both sides.
Don't put it down. It's gonna. All the sauce is gonna go into the water. Oh, I guess you're gonna have to put it down anyways. I guess. Do you need to pour out some of the water?
No, so hurry up.
Okay. Do what you can.
If you have like a higher rack, it'd be better. But my rack is slow, so.
I'm assuming you did it with this rack last time as well, and it tasted pretty good. So we'll keep with it. So just brush it on with your hand, apparently.
Asian style.
So if you're not afraid of getting your hands a little dirty, then this is an easy way to do it.
So my only thing was last time what happened was the skin on the breast got stuck to the rack. So there's something to look out for because roasted duck, you want the skin. That's like the best part. I'm just gonna pour the rest of this and then just rub it around. So it doesn't require any marination or anything, which is interesting. But it worked out last time, so. This.
We're just eating the skin anyways.
That's for sure. Okay, so we just do it like that, breast side up. Alright, and the oven just finished preheating, so we're gonna put it in. Alright, so it's been in for 45 minutes. Now we are going to flip it. And we'll try and figure out how to flip it, use some apparatus to put it in here. So a lot of the water has evaporated. There's also water inside, which we need to now dump out, like so. There we go. And now it's going to go back in. No, 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 no. Shh, that's when it's hot. Thank you. We have switched. I am letting the hubby take the duck off. All right, so while the duck is still roasting in the oven, we're going to prepare the other things. So here we have carrot sticks, shreds, green onion, and cucumber. You can add really whatever you want, but these are like the more typical things that we're going to put in the wrap. I just washed some veg just because we don't have meat. We need some veg for a well-balanced meal. And then I just prepped some ginger slices for the veg. I also have rice going in the Instant Pot. And yep, and that will be one meal. Oh, and then with the duck, usually we do like 2 different dishes with it. You can do 3 or, you know, however many you want. So one would be the skin would be in the wrapper with some meat. And then the rest of the meat and the carcass, we're going to cut it up and we're going to do stir fry it in some plum sauce. Right? All right, so I'm just going to steam the wrapper. So these are the ones that we've been getting. I'm sure there are different ones, but these are pretty good. They come in smaller packages inside. So they look like this. They're pretty thin. And one of these packs has maybe 5 or 6, maybe 5. So yeah. I'm just gonna, you don't need to defrost them, you just throw them in your steamer for like 2 to 3 minutes and they're good. Hey Papa, how is it?
Well, I'm having the wing, so the wing is kind of dry. But the you wrap it in the wrapper with the stuff in the middle. Tastes pretty good. Just a little disappointed that some of it got stuck in the pan. Tastes good.
Okay. Bye.